When it comes to nature, only one man excels. His name, Jim Wazowski.
Always obey traffic laws and stop, even when you're walking.
He will go to any stunt for nature. He will climb rocks. He will climb trees. He'll pretty much climb anything. He does it for the fans. He does it for the views. He does it for nature. And he does it for the hunt.
I will go to any extreme for nature. No, not that. That one. No. No. No.
Huh. Look at that. Some deer. Mother Nature puts out those things every other Wednesday. But then we saw it. A Bradosaurus. What seems to be coming over here? I must leave the scene quickly. It seems that we have a Gibson Rex. But wait, are they mating? We might never know. It seems like they are chillaxing and eating bees. Well, let's zoom in here. Wait, has the Bradosaurus noticed me? I must get out.
Tell me when. My God. That's Bigfoot.
Let's go capture it.
Kick it in its face! It's a bait. Shoot!
Let's keep searching.
Bigfoot is real. We found our next area that could be Bigfoot infested. Look at that right there. Port a pot. Bigfoot gotta use the bathroom too, and this is the only place he can do it. So he's gotta be in here. Now I'm risking my life for this one, so you better be thankful. What the heck? What's cameraman Jack doing in there? Huh.
Cameraman Jack gotta take a poop.
So we're gonna go right through there. It's a barbed wire fence, but we're gonna make it through. It's kind of scary. Ow. 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 We're good. Hey, guess what? Don't litter. Littering is bag. It's bag, not bad. Put it in your bag. Save the world. Give me a moment, it's kind of hard. Let's go. Now you may be wondering where we're at right now. This is a Bigfoot nest, okay? They love these big trees with all these cool branches going down. It's like a jungle gym for them. It's like a jungle gym for me. This place is cool. If Bigfoot didn't live here, I would live here. I'm not too sure what this is, but you wanna know what it reminds me of? Celery. You wanna know who loves celery? Bigfoot. Now you see this right here? This is a creek. Water. Any animal needs that. And you know, I thought I was hunting a Bigfoot, but then I saw this. This is a Bradosaurus poop. Right there. We haven't been tracking a Bigfoot, we've been tracking a Bradosaurus. We've already seen one of those today. So you know what that means. It's time for the end of this episode of Wild Things in the Wild. Doing wild things. Wild style. That'll be all, folks. Cut the outro.